Okay, love bugs, we're about halfway through the summer and I feel like I took a nap and I woke up and we were here. Almost done with summer, so I'm gonna spend the next, month and a half truly enjoying this heat and not having to wake up to alarms because the kids are out. And what better way to do it than in style? Today I have teamed up with Sunber Hair. They sent me this beautiful 13x4 pre-everything lace wig. She's in the texture water wave and she's absolutely divine. Now this one came pre-styled with the beautiful baby hair and the flawless hairline. No work needed, just a simple, easy, glueless install. This one has a drawstring and it even came with the pre-installed wig tape for a very easy 1-2 step install. Today we'll be doing about 2 different hairstyles on this one just to give you a little oomph and show you ways to style your wig. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, jumping right into it. You know your girl loves to do a quick and easy straight out of the box install, and that is exactly what we're doing today. So for starters, here is a look at what the wig looks like straight out of the box. This one is 24 inches in length. She comes pre-styled with that baby hair, and of course she has the pre-everything cap construction. Now this is a 13x4 lace wig. So you see you get your free part lace as well as the pre-installed wig tape. Going into it, you can see it also includes the adjustable and removable elastic band. You get your large comb at the nape as well as the adjustable straps and a drawstring. Now I love this because this is what's really going to make the wig glueless. Use any part of the cap construction you like, and if you don't want to use other parts such as the comb, just don't use it. Now this is what she looks like on, and as you guys can see, we're almost about ready to go. Like, you don't need to style these curls. They look absolutely phenomenal straight out of the box. Almost too good to really wet down and restyle, right? The length, the density, the fullness, everything about this one is perfect. I know some of the girls don't like wigs in the summertime, but for me and those who do, this is the perfect wet and go type of look. Here I'm showing you guys how to use your drawstring from the back and from the front. You can access your drawstring and literally without a mirror, you're able to just go in and pull it out, adjust, and tuck it back in, and you are literally installed for a nice, snug, glueless install. Here I'm pushing my wig cap back so that you guys can really see how amazing this one sits on the hairline. From ear to ear, this one is absolutely flawless, and you guys can see that baby hair. You literally don't even need to touch it. Now, as far as the wig tape, they did install this for us. I personally do not use glue or tape on my hairline. I am trying my best to get my hairline to maximum effect, so I did just go ahead and pull it off. But if you want to use it, just peel, stick, rub it together and warm it up and apply it, and you literally will have the perfect install. For me, I did pull mine off, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off any excess lace around. This is what I like to call ear tabs, and this is the part that kind of sort of covers my ear, and sometimes it does create sideburns as well. Today I don't want sideburns because I just want it to be nice and glueless, and you guys can see once you cut off that ear tab, it kind of does blend with my own edges. Of course, I need to slick them down a little bit, but you guys get the picture. Now we're almost perfect. You know I'm going to add my little one too. So I did add a little bit of lace bond to this one. Now this one is a liquid lace bond. To me, this is just a little bit more, how do you say it? A little stronger than like your regular lace melt. I like this one because it does have a little bit more hold, but it doesn't give like glue. Like you can still take it off at the end of the night and it won't rip off your edges. So once you apply that product, you apply your lace back on top. Press it in and just make sure your placement is exactly where you want it, because you don't want to decide once it's already dry that it's too far up or too far back. Then I'm going to use a little bit of heat with the blow dryer to go ahead and set that in. If you don't want to use the blow dryer, you can definitely use your melt belt that came in your package. Now this here is nostalgic. This is the actual baby hair brush, the old school toothbrush that my mom used to use for me and herself as a child. I've kept it with me all these years, and I've seen it and it just makes me happy because sometimes I will pull it out. I've never cleaned it since she's passed. But I was kind of sad because it's turning colors, which means I need to go ahead and like put it away. It used to be purple. Now it's like this brown. I know it's gross to some people, but this is a part of my childhood in the original baby hair from the 80s and the 90s. From here, I'm working on the ends as well as like the lace area. And I'm just adding a lot of that Got to Be Glue mousse. Did you guys know Got to Be Glue had mousse? I forgot I had this in there, so I did go ahead and use a healthy, generous amount of that. Then I used the unbrush to go ahead and detangle the hair and separate the curls. And last but not least, I did use this Aussie Moist serum. This serum is meant for curls, so I did use about 2 pumps on each side, nice and generous. Also bringing all the products up into the parting. Today I decided to skip on that dynamic duo because I just don't think you honestly need it all the time. It's my favorite step, but it's just not necessary. It's just what I like. And I am feeling myself at this point. The hair is absolutely beautiful. Here I'm going to go ahead and tint the lace. And you guys know my favorite is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. Using that shade 15 in the parting and then the shade 16 palette in the hairline. And at this point I felt like we were pretty much done, but I did go in and use a regular modern baby hair brush. The baby hair brush from my childhood works sometime, but with this baby hair, it didn't work. So I did go ahead and put that away because I needed that comb to kind of like comb out the, how do you say it? They mold the hair. So you kind of want to like comb out the mold that they put on the baby hair and then swoop it. Like you see here, it's molded. So when you get it, it's in that perfect shape and you can leave it there. But you can see the mold was perfect because it left that nice good swoop. And you don't even really need to add much product to those. They are really just ready to go. And that's pretty much it for this look. I feel like you need to do more just because it's so simple and easy to install. But to be honest, you don't have to do much more than this. Here's what the hair looks like from the back. Feel free to use different products or a diffuser to dry it down. This one is absolutely amazing. I love the pre-everything cap construction with the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline for a very beginner-friendly install. Here I'm showing you how to style your wig. Our first style is going to be none other than my favorite, which is just simply to clip the hair up. Today I used some regular clips. I think these are alligator clips. And you guys can see, first of all, you can barely see the clips, but I don't need fancy clips to make my hair look good. These clips work perfect and you can even pull forward that nice little bang. And for a second hairstyle, it's kind of deciding what I wanted to do. It's so pretty that it doesn't need to be styled in my opinion, but just giving you some range and variety. You can just do a simple and quick half up, half down. The lace and the texture of the hair gives like real like Chili from TLC vibes. Very beautiful. So again, you don't need to do much and this is what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous, but also when you do style hair, be aware that it does kind of take away from the style you already did. So you kind of go in and re-moisturize the ends with a little bit of water. Now I'm here to show you guys the packaging. This one is from Sunber and she included the pre-everything wig tape as well as some HD wig caps. They also included a baby hair brush, which is what I needed throughout the video. And this one did come with the extra brush head and a rat tail. Also, this is a game changer. You definitely need this. It is a melt belt. And then also you definitely have your dust bag, which is in that beautiful sunbury yellow. And that's pretty much it, love bugs. I am headed out into the pool. The kids want to have an amazing summer. I'm trying to give it to them. And I feel like this is the perfect hair where no matter what we're doing, I am literally dressed for the occasion, or at least my hair is, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.